Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging MDCat MCQs to sharpen your knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQs is if enzymes stop their function in biochemical reaction, would A stop, B slow down, C not affected, D carried out at faster rate. So the correct option is B, slow down. The next MCQ is all of the following are true for an enzyme except A is globular protein, B increase the energy of activation, C remain unchanged after reaction, and D speed up the reaction. So the correct option is B, increase the energy of activation. The next MCQ is enzyme catalyze all the following except A digestion, B cellular respiration, C photosynthesis, D breathing. So the correct option is D, breathing. The next MCQ is the lower the activation energy, the reaction will be A faster, B moderate, C slower, and D both A and B. So the correct option is A, faster. The next MCQ is most of the following are A attached with organelle, B in cytoplasm, C free floating, and D in coagulating form. So the correct option is A, attached with organelles. The next MCQ is enzyme related to fatty acid oxidation are present in it: A plasma membrane, B chloroplast, C mitochondria, and D nucleolus. So the correct option is C, mitochondria. The next MCQ is all enzymes are dash: A fibrous protein, B lipoprotein, C low molecular weight proteins, and D globular protein. So the correct option is D, globular protein. The next MCQ is the reactant and on which enzyme work are: A product, B substrate, C metabolites, and D catabolite. So the correct option is B, substrate. The next MCQ is what is true about enzyme: A fibrous protein, B no effect and on end product, C use in reaction, and D non-specific. So the correct option is B, no effect on end product. The next MCQ is the main difference between catalyst and enzyme is: A enzyme are sharp in action, then catalyst, B catalyst use in large amount, then enzyme, C catalysts are inorganic while enzymes are organic in nature, and D enzymes need pH while catalysts do not. So the correct option is C, catalysts are inorganic while enzymes are organic in nature. The next MCQ is the type of energy reduced by the enzymes for biological reaction to occur is called: A light energy, B active energy, C activation energy, and D heat energy. So the correct option is C, activation energy. The next MCQ is enzyme work by lowering the dash of the reaction they catalyze: A kinetic energy, B heat energy, C activation energy, and D potential energy. So the correct option is C, activation energy. The next MCQ is it is false about enzyme: A all enzymes require cofactor for proper functioning, B only small amount of enzyme is required, C they work in vivo as well as in vivo condition, and D they lower activation energy. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is the reaction take place in a small part of the enzyme called A allosteric site, B globular site, C reactive site, and D active site. So the correct option is D, active site. The next MCQ is coenzyme are closely related to A hormones, B antibodies, C inhibitors, and D vitamins. So the correct option is D, vitamins. The next MCQ is the atoms groups of atom and molecules that join with enzyme altering their shape and making them functional. A. Substrate. B. Prosthetic group. C. Coenzyme and D. Cofactor. So the correct option is D. Cofactor. The next MCQ is if the cofactor is a non-protein like a metallic ion, it is referred to as A. Apoenzyme, B. Coenzyme, C. Activator, and D. Prosthetic group. So the correct option is C. Activator. The next MCQ is non-protein part, which is organic in nature and detachable, is called A. Activator, B. Coenzyme, C. Cofactor, and D. Prosthetic group. So the correct option is C. Cofactor. Sorry, B. Coenzyme. Thanks for joining me. I hope these MDCat MCQs help you sharpen your knowledge. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.